So welcome students. In this video, let us look at the steps that are involved in finding the locus of a point. So you have a very standard algorithm by which you can do most of the locus questions. So the first step whenever you do a locus question is to let PH, K be a point on the locus. So this is the usual point where we start our locus questions. Let PH, K be a point on the locus. In the second step, we observe the conditions. We observe the conditions that are being satisfied by PH, K. So we observe the conditions that are being satisfied by H, K, and we try to express them mathematically. So try to express them mathematically. So whenever you try to express the conditions mathematically, you may need some new variables. So when you try to express them mathematically, you may be needed to introduce some new variables. So introduce some new variables if required. So try to express them mathematically by introducing some new variables if required. And so let us say that n new variables are introduced. So let us say that n new variables are introduced. So the next step is create n+1 equations. Whenever you introduce n new variables, you need to create one equation more than the number of variables that you have introduced. So create n+1 equations. The info required will be given in the question. So you need to read the question carefully to get all the information, all the conditions that you need to create n+1 equations. So once you create n+1 equations, eliminate the new variables. Eliminate the new variables that are created. Eliminate the new variables that are created. So once you eliminate the variables, get an equation completely in terms of H, K. So once you eliminate the new variables that you have created, you get an equation completely in terms of H and K. So once you get the equation completely in terms of H and K, replace H by X and K by Y. Replace H by X and K by Y. So the equation in X, Y is the required equation of locus. So whatever is the equation which is left is the equation of locus. So these are the 6 steps that you need to follow to complete your question on locus. So I hope you have observed these steps in the examples that we have done already. Thank you.